Employees of the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH were greeted by various types of garbage on the shores of the Las Piñas Parañaque Wetland Park today. As part of Upland Kontra Baha, a cleanup drive was conducted by around 200 DPWH employees led by Secretary Vince Dizon, and also as part of their 128th anniversary celebration.
Tingin ko, wake-up call talaga sa atin to na kailangan talaga ng disiplina ng mga kababayan natin sa pagtatapon ng basura. So sana kahit paano naman, konting disiplina naman. Huwag na tayo magtatapon sa dagat, sa bay, sa mga estero, sa mga ilog, di ba? Meron namang tamang pag-dispose ng basura.
The Las Piñas Parañaque Wetland Park is known as the last coastal frontier of Metro Manila. The park is located along the shores of Manila Bay between the cities of Las Piñas and Parañaque. It is the only remaining functional wetland and living ecosystem in the entire Metro Manila. But because of the garbage that ends up on the park's shoreline, it has become a threat to the lives of the remaining trees and plants. During the monsoon season, it is said that the amount of garbage ending up on the shoreline increases. Because of this, it is also a major threat to the various habitats and different species of the animals in the park.
Well, kailangan nating gumamit ng bagong teknolohiya para ma-dispose yung waste. Kasi imposible nating ma-manage ito ng ganito na yung dating gawi pa rin ang ginagawa natin. Imposible na yun. Hindi na sustainable.
The mangroves in the park's environment provide significant help as a buffer for neighboring cities against powerful storm surges. But if every citizen does not cooperate with the government's initiatives to maintain the cleanliness of the environment, it might be lost completely. J.M. Thompson, for The Nation.